2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your BBVA bank account with PayPal for mobile payments in 2025. It's simple, secure, and fast. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Link your BBVA account to PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Tap on Wallet, select Link a Bank Account. Enter your BBVA account details, either the CLAB number or debit card info. Confirm and wait for 2 small test deposits from PayPal, usually takes 1 to 2 days. Once those deposits appear in your BBVA account, go back to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to verify. Step 2. Set BBVA as your default payment method. To make sure PayPal always uses your BBVA account, open PayPal app, go to Settings, Payments, Manage Funding Sources. Select your BBVA account and tap Set as Default. Now, every time you make a payment with PayPal, it'll pull funds directly from your BBVA account. Step 3. Make a mobile payment. Ready to pay? Just open the PayPal app or scan a QR code at participating stores. Tap Pay or Send. Choose the recipient or merchant. Confirm that your BBVA account is selected. Tap Send Pay. Done. You'll instantly receive a confirmation. Tips: make sure your BBVA card or account is enabled for online and mobile transactions. Check if your country supports PayPal QR code payments for even more convenience. And that's it. You can now use BBVA with PayPal for smooth mobile payments anytime, anywhere. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.